Situated in India's southern state of Tamil Nadu is the VIT University, renowned for its international standard of technical education, management studies, and research facilities. To ensure student and staff comfort, the campuses offer other important facilities such as canteen, food court serving multi-cuisine food, shopping centre, and banks along with a number of ATMs. Much importance is given to holistic individual development at VIT. Students are encouraged to excel in sports and are provided top-class facilities that include many outdoor and indoor playgrounds, games courts, swimming pools built to international standards. Extracurricular activity is another area where VIT students have achieved high honours. VIT has 30 students' clubs, including a music club, a dance club, and a trekking club.
Talking about the academic life, the teacher-student ratio is very good, and so you actually understand everything in class, and it's an interactive session. The teachers make sure they clear all your doubts. And the labs, it's very well equipped. The lab attendants and the teacher help you out whenever you're in need, and the information and the education that you get here will always be useful for you in your future research. And then the student life is one more thing that is great here in VIT, because there are students from different countries, from different states, and this diversity is really what is important for you, because you need to take in different perspectives that molds you into a perfect individual.
VIT, a place to learn, a chance to grow.
Hello everyone, my name is Lenin. I am former chemistry student of VIT University, and now I am doing PhD in Israel. I have been asked to give feedback about the studies that in VIT that helped me to reach here. I was very happy, and I am of course very grateful to give this feedback, because VIT means it's a lot to me. As far as I concern, if students join in VIT University with a strong desire to achieve something, then I strongly believe that he or she is in a right place and the right pathway to achieve those goals. Coming to the Department of Chemistry, one of the best departments that VIT has, with more than 40 faculty members with enormous talent and experience, and almost all has international research background. Coming to studies, VIT University has unique study programs where equal importance has given to both academia and research. All students, it is mandatory to work directly with professors in their research groups according to their choice of interest. And if students work hard, they also has a chance to get publication, which is an added value for getting either PhD position or a job. And also students get a chance to participate in many conferences and symposiums where they present their posters as well as presentations, which is a tremendous experience for the students at M.Sc level. Coming to the facilities, VIT has the best facilities. VIT has almost all the instruments that are needed to conduct high-level research. and also MSc students are allowed to use those instruments for their research work and get to know how to handle those instruments and how to analyze your compounds, which is again unbelievable experience. And coming to the faculty members of chemistry department, that is one of the wonderful things that VIT has. Students are relationship between students and faculty members are something that beyond the expectation of students. Students are always open to ask questions, allowed to ask questions, your doubts, and if students get stuck in some problems, always there are places. And also I think I should add a point here. VIT will provide you equal opportunity to all the students with best facilities and best faculty members, but it is in the hands of students to utilize all these resources effectively to achieve something really big. I end with this, and also I take this as an opportunity to tell thanks to all the faculty members who have behind my.
My name is Raghu, and I did my MSc in chemistry in VIT, and I graduated from there in 2009. To go further, after my time in VIT, I've come abroad to Iowa State University, and I've used all the things that I've learned from the mentors and the teachers and the friends out there about research itself, about life itself, about academic life, about how to view things from VIT. I think it kind of, after I came to VIT, that those horizons opened for me. And I do believe that it's going to open up a lot of doors for you, provided you know how to take advantage of what resources that are available to you. And as you know, that every year they keep adding new things to it. They're giving you more for the money, the amount of money you're paying. Every single rupee that you pay for to VIT is definitely being invested in something that will pay you back many times over. And I think that's something that a lot of universities need to aspire to, and hopefully in the future India would benefit from such a more expansion.
I am Anu Polipuris. I did a master's course in VIT, which is probably what you're doing right now. I'll start with the course. It was a very interesting course, very challenging. It was comprehensive and I would say of international standards, because we got to learn what was currently happening research-wise all over the world. And having moved abroad to do my PhD, the knowledge that I gained was very useful. We also had courses like HPLC and atomic absorption spectroscopy, etc., that also added a lot of value to what we learned other than the course. And the 6 months project was very, very useful. So I would say make the best of it, and choose a project that you see yourself working in the future if you want to stay in academia. And also coming back to life in VIT in general, it's really interesting. At least for me, it was the first time I moved away from home, so it was character building. You have to take care of yourself, and you don't have your parents to run to, and you make a lot of lifelong friends. And all in all, it was a very interesting and very nice experience in VIT. So all the very best to all of you. Hopefully you'll make the most of it. Thank you.